Benefits of eggplants. There are many healthy fruits and vegetables that have numerous health benefits to them. Besides keeping your diets better balanced, there are many different ways to eat healthy. While it is general fact that eating fresh foods are good for us, it's sometimes hard to know what makes them good for us in the first place. Number 1. Full of fiber. The eggplant is full of healthy fiber. It can be hard to find a food that is full of fiber and tasty at the same time. Taking in enough fiber is highly important when it comes to regulating your digestive tract. By eating more eggplant and fiber-rich foods, in general, you can make it so that you are constipated less often and having your stomach and intestine feeling better in general more often. Number 2. Lower blood pressure. Eggplants are full of tiny things that make them healthier and help with different parts of our bodies. One key component in the eggplant, bioflavonoids, are known to be able to lower blood pressure and keep good blood pressure at a more constantly healthier level. Eating eggplants and other foods full of flavonoids on a regular basis can help to keep your blood pressure from getting too high. Number 3. Lower high cholesterol. Just like the bioflavonoids in eggplants can help to lower high blood pressure, there are also special things in the plants to lower high cholesterol. The cholesterol lowering eggplants dishes all depends on how you cook them. Don't fry the eggplant if you want to lower your cholesterol. Instead, try baked eggplants dishes to make a healthy and tasty meal. Do not add too much salt or else it will be in vain. Number 4. Help with blood circulation. Just like eggplants can help with blood pressure, they can also help with blood circulation. There is something in the eggplants called phytonutrients which help with circulation. You can only get these nutrients if you eat the skin of the eggplants. Don't worry, the skin is perfectly safe to eat. If you don't find it tasty at first, you can add some spices, but avoid adding salt. Number 5. Helps with diabetes. By helping to keep a person's cholesterol and blood pressure levels in check, the eggplants can also help to keep blood sugar levels in check. There are many diabetes safe meals that can make with eggplant. The eggplant is low in carbohydrates, which is also useful to know if you have troubles managing your diabetes.